I also want to say, if you identify as a person who is hyper engaged, if you consume a lot of news, I want to remind you that consuming news is not the same thing as making change, making political change. And you don't need to bathe in the news 24 hours a day or even 4 hours a day, right? So what really helped me in 2016 was studying up on how anxiety forms or what perpetuates anxiety. And yes, Instagram absolutely does. But consuming a lot of news about issues that are too big for you to handle and where you don't have any agency or control to change it will put you into a state of anxiousness and helplessness. And I don't see any value in that. Really, truly, I don't see any value in it. My personal opinion, and it's okay, you can disagree, but my personal opinion is I want to make a difference in the world. And part of what I need there is to show up healthy, right? That is actually important to do a good job helping the world. So to me, what puts me into a state of feeling agency and not feeling anxiety is action. So to me, my solution here is I want to change the ratio of input to output and radically increase my output towards political action, but radically reduce my input, right? There is no reason for me to have on news radio all day long, right? I have actually found that it diminishes my own capacity to do work when I do that because the news is so upsetting. Whereas if I focus on an issue that I really want to make a change in, and for me, this is economic empowerment, if I just stay laser focused on my issue and I doggedly pursue it, I can keep going with that for years and with strength and with power and with intelligence and nuance and expertise. And to me, that is the best way that I can serve you and my community and people that I care about